Hey there, today we're going to look at how to speed up audio in Premiere Pro without changing pitch. So let's get started. First, import your audio into the timeline and play it to hear how it sounds at normal speed. After that, right click on the audio track and select speed duration. Over here, increase the speed to something like 150%. Then make sure to check the box that says Maintain Audio Pitch and click OK. After that, go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and Enable Effects. Over here, search for Pitch and drag the effect called Pitch Shifter onto your audio clip. Then scroll down in the Effect Controls panel until you see Pitch Shifter. Click on the arrow next to individual parameters and you'll see a ratio option. Over here, adjust the slider or type a number to fine-tune the pitch. Then play the audio and tweak the value until it sounds natural again.
The tail piece of the story is that I met this very girl some 40 or 45 years later.
And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.